Today we're talking about camp staff. Camp directors, camp counselors, who are they and how do we know they're the right people to take care of your girl this summer? Something that surprised me about myself as a parent was evaluating the scene for my kids' first non-family sleepover. I mean, obviously I needed the parents' phone number, but I also wanted to have at least an idea of who they were, what their house was like, what they were all about, you know? I mean, I didn't require a background check, but I just needed to know, you know? So if you're like me, you're probably wondering just who are these people who will be caring for the health, safety, and happiness of my little darling while I camp? Each Girl Scout camp property has a camp director. Camp directors are full-time employees of Girl Scouts of Northeast Texas. Each camp director oversees a staff of counselors, lifeguards, amenities instructors, and cooks. Camp counselors are hired in for the summer. Something that I find interesting and unique about Girl Scout camp is that our camp counselors come from all over the world. These are folks who love to play outside and they cannot wait to get to know our campers. All camp counselors must clear a background check. Their references have been vetted and they've been interviewed by a camp director. Counselors are here to listen to campers, to help solve problems, and to encourage girls through their challenges. Before our girls arrive on property, counselors are receiving training. They're learning how camp runs and how to run it well. They're learning how to take care of campers' needs. And some counselors are trained in specialty activities like sailing, swimming, archery, and high ropes. Those folks have all the certifications required to run those elements. Above all, our counselors are passionate about being mentors for young girls, and they live by the Girl Scout promise and law just like all Girl Scout employees do. That's a comfort to me. I hope it's a comfort for you too.